car industry expects the chip crisis to resolve in 2022. Car manufacturing has been restricted by a worldwide chip scarcity during the last year, according to industry consensus. Supply is expected to normalize by the end of the year. To make matters worse for prospective new car purchases, order books are expected to rise in the coming months as manufacturers shift their attention toward more lucrative models. It was meant to be a year of greatness. Recovering economies boosted demand for automobiles from consumers with more money to spend. Due to decreased supply from worldwide chip fabricators, automakers are now forced to make difficult decisions about which models to produce, which customers to serve, and even which technologies to maintain and which to delete from the vehicles they design. LMC Automotive, an analytics firm, predicted that carmakers should have produced an additional 9.6 million vehicles last year. As the effect of the chip scarcity continued to bite down on LMC's expectation for a better year in 2021, the company was obliged to make reduction after cut. The greatest affected was Ford, which it projected lost 1.26 million units worldwide, followed by the Volkswagen Group with 1.15 million and General Motors with 1.09 million, according to the estimates. According to LMC, sales in Europe were down 26% from the 2018-2019 average and down 1.5% from a pandemic-hit 2020. There will be a lot less production this year because carmakers have more of the microcomputers that control all kinds of things in the car. This is what the LMC thinks will happen. Last month, LMC Managing Director Pete Kelly said demand still outstrips supply in developed markets like Europe and the US. For the time being, customers will have to put up with delays. Last year, Hyundai and Kia were among the main winners because they were better able to deal with chip shortages than their competitors. According to figures from the European Automobile Manufacturers Association, ACEA, the Hyundai Motor Group was Europe's greatest gainer last year, selling 1.02 million Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis automobiles, up 21% over the year before. Toyota also had a successful year, selling 760,178 Toyota and Lexus vehicles, an increase of 9.6%. A restoration to regular chip manufacturing is expected in the third quarter of this year, according to Hyundai Motor Vice President Gang Hyun Seo in late January.